Hey guys, it's Kevin and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you 3 ways that you can make Amapiano Log Drum bass lines.
It's Kevin's Mix.
So these are the drums for my beat. And the tempo is at 112. Then I'm gonna add this. So that is our beat, and this is our bass. I want to reset it first. Okay, cool. So this is our log drum bass. So the first way that you can go about making an Amapiano log drum bass line is by just painting your bass line on the piano roll. Simple stuff. So that's okay. Let me stop this. So that's the first way that you can go about making your Amapiano log drum. But it's gonna take a bit of creativity when it comes to that. A simpler way that you can go about doing this is to copy your melody or to copy your chord progression. So I'm just gonna copy this pattern here. I'm just gonna paste it on my log drum. So this will simplify a lot of stuff for yourself, and it will also make the process of making the bass line a lot quicker. For this one, I'm going to use this. Very simple and straightforward. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reduce the time there, the duration, sorry. Here also. In simple terms, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to play my log drum along with this pattern. So yeah, this is another way. I'm gonna bring it down an octave. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut off the decay. Then what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna copy this log drum pattern and I'm gonna paste it on my bass line. I do like that. I'm gonna open this, then I'm gonna press Alt and L, so it's gonna bring up this tab right here. Then I'm going to adjust it like this. Yeah, purely something like that. So the third way that you can go about doing this is, let me remove all this, is to play it, is to record yourself playing all these notes for your log drum. So I'm just gonna quantize like that. And just like that, you're done. So to recap, so you can go about doing a log drum bass line three ways. First way is plotting manually. The second way is using your chord progression or your melody that you feel like will go with the bass line regardless. And the last one is to just freestyle yourself. Just record yourself playing the log drum and just make sure that it repeats well and it fits in with the overall scale of the song. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.